done that in a while, kind of. Anyways, today is day 4 of my spooktacular week. Today I'm gonna be doing something, this is my favorite one that I've been wanting to do. So it's gonna be super, super awesome. So without further ado, let's get started. To start off, I'm going to just go ahead and draw the line of where I want it to go, and then I can take off all the makeup from there. And I'm just literally using, call me ghetto if you want, olive oil. I keep it in this, it was an old makeup remover thing, bottle, and I just put olive oil in it and some toilet paper or a Q-tip or a cotton ball, and it works. So I did just take my lipstick off, and I'm just going to take a simple brown thing and draw where I want this thing to go. Alright, so now I have some clear definition of where I need to remove the makeup. So I want to show you how easy olive oil works, because a lot of you are probably like, bullshit, that stuff does not work. Watch it. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Right off. How awesome is that? Get ready for no eyebrows. Whoa, they're gone. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, and I didn't really scrub to get the eyeliner and the mascara off of my eyes because it's gonna be black anyway and it's just not necessary. By the way, I have not said this yet, but this look was inspired by the Nikki Tutorials Pull Up Demon look, where she's like pulling it up and it's like a demon underneath. That just seems a bit dark for me, so I'm gonna do something still scary, but something different and more unique. Today I will be using some Wet n Wild products I was able to find at Walmart for pretty cheap. This is the Wet n Wild paint palette, as you saw previously in my other video, and for the mermaid look. So let's use the orange, and the very first thing I'm going to do is fill in this whole area orange for my pumpkin. Alright, now that I have that done, and I will say, I did use a spoolie on my eyebrows, that if you have glue, which I don't have, like a glue stick or something, to really glue your eyebrows up, that would be ideal, but I'm hoping because all this is going to be black anyway that it's not really going to cause a big issue. But next, now that the orange is done, which I'm not super like impressed with the coverage of this product, but I'm just going to go with it. I am going to take the Lorelei Pretty Animal palette with the color Drinks and go over that with a fluffy brush to really kind of set the orange. And I think it'll also help with the pigment as well. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is take the Wet n Wild paint pot palette, black paint pot, and a little angled brush. And mark out where I'm going to put the black. Alright, next I am going to take, again, the Wet n Wild palette with my little angled brush and go in with the red and yellow and do some highlights around these little areas. to really create some depth and dimension on this look, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow again, BH Cosmetics Modern Matte, and go around some of these edges on the holes and around the edge where it will be on the pulled up skin. Now I'm going to go back and define the actual lines around the eye because I don't like how it looks blended out now. I'm just going to do that with a regular black eyeliner. Alright, and I just went back and defined some of those lines. I really feel like that makes a big difference. Next I am going to take my brown eyeliner, a brow liner pencil, and draw the lines where the skin is pulled up. Alright, and then next I am going to take a brown eyeshadow and lightly go where those are to create some depth in them and also add some highlights as well. And then also, to really darken up the eye, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with a black eyeliner. And then also, just to add some extra oomph to the look, I'm going to add yellow from the paint palette and put it over here on my other eye. Alrighty, well, I did also ump up my whole eye just a bit. I did some lashes and some orange underneath, yellow on top, and really brought out the wing to accentuate the eye and just make it look. So that is the final look. Cool. Well, anyways, hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know if you do try this look below. Don't ever think that you can't do something, because you can. Don't ever say that until you try it. You don't know. So try it. Let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to, if you are not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. This is my spooktacular week for October 2018. I am posting every day. Today is day 4. So we have a few more days to go. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so you never miss one of my awesome videos. If you missed the first 3 videos, go check them out. I will have some linked up here, also in the description, and at the end, just everywhere. So go check them out, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.